Hey everybody, today we're at the OCT area of Shenzhen. I haven't been here since before COVID. It's kind of like a nature trail area. There's also some shops and stuff you can go visit. There's a couple theme parks over here that border up to it. So I'm just walking through one of the nature trail areas right now. Kind of just walking through the whole park here and make my way back to the Holiday Plaza Mall that's right across the street from Window of the World. So yeah, as I just told you guys, this area has at least two, formal theme parks. One is Happy Valley, the other one is Window of the World. And there might have been another one back in the day, or it could be still around. I'm just not too familiar. But as you can see, back in the day when these theme parks were new, they also had some resorts and stuff where people could stay at. And they were all connected by a monorail line that you can still see right there. But since then, I guess these parks didn't take off like, people thought they would. So this monorail no longer runs. It's just a track that just snakes through this area. So yeah, up here you can see where one of the old monorail stations are. And I believe this would have been one of the stations, or maybe the only stations, for Happy Valley, which is like the roller coaster theme park here in Shenzhen. And you can kind of see it through the fence there. Some of the theme park stuff. And I'll try to get some better video clips once I get closer to the entrance. So this is the main entrance to the Happy Valley theme park. I only been here one time, and that was pre-COVID. For the Halloween season, they'll have kind of like their version of what I'd like to call Halloween Horror Nights, or Hallow Scream. The only thing downside is during those events they don't keep like all the rides open. They maybe only have like one or two rides open. So and the haunted houses aren't that scary or great either. But yeah, this is the view of the area, and we'll keep walking down here. And I might do a video in the future about Happy Valley if I ever go back. But I'm not saying it's a complete, don't go type of situation. If you come with some family, it is a good thing to do, and something to entertain, the kids and stuff if you have them. So yeah, I guess they are still having the Halloween celebration at Happy Valley, because right outside the gates they're selling masks, and you can get your face painted and stuff like that. So that's cool to see that that event is still going on, after COVID. So there's two hotels in this area that are pretty nice to stay at if you're here for business or travel. So one is the Westin that you can see right there, and then right across the street over here is I forgot the name of it, but it's like a Venetian style, I believe. And I believe they also have gondolas that you can ride the boat around through their garden or something. But the Westin's very nice. I've personally been there one time for actually a Christmas party that my old company put on. It is an older property, but they do have a nice pool deck and everything like that. So if you're the Marriott member, that's one of the places you can look into staying, because this is a good location with lots of stuff to do and see. Then through the trees there, you can see the Eiffel Tower. So that's the other theme park I was talking about, called Window of the World. I don't personally think it's so interesting. You just walk around seeing like miniature replicas of the wonders of the world, such as the Taj Mahal, Stonehenge, whatever it's called, and stuff like that. So and what is kind of cool is the the subway station over there that try to make it look like the Louvre or whatever that art museum's called in France. They do have a nightly fireworks show that's pretty decent. So it is something to do and see if you're staying in this area of Shenzhen. And it was featured a while ago on Amazing Race when they came and filmed a leg here. If you're, you know, fans of the Amazing Race like I am. So everybody, I hope you enjoyed the walk through the OCT area. I'm in Holiday Plaza now, which is a mall that's nearby. It's actually right across the street from Window of the World. I really hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all next time.